Hi students, in this video I am going to explain you how to find the sum of the same series 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 up to n terms using recursive technique. This one I have already explained in the previous video using one static variable that was global we have taken in the class. But this time without taking any global variable, any extra variable, just using return statement, I am going to explain you how to find the sum of the first and natural number. Let's see. This is the function, compute function, and this is the main function. And now we have to find the sum of the same series 1 to n, but using return statement. Okay, let's continue. Here we have passed 4 to this function. This time this function will return the value. That's why here return type is int. We are using return statement within the functions. So passing 4 from here, value of n will be 4. Condition is false. So again second function call with 4 minus 1, 3, then with 2, then with 1. When n will become 1, it will start returning 1. The value will come back here. The 1 plus with the previous value of n was 2, 1 plus 2, 3. It will return 3, 3 plus 3, 6, then 6 plus 4, 10. Finally, 10 will be returned to this function and 10 will be printed here. Now, little confusion. Now, I am going to explain you this function only by drawing it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, this was the 4th one. 4 times I have drawn the same one just to explain how it works. So see the working again from the beginning. So these are the different memory blocks where value of n will be different for each function call. Now see how it works from the beginning. Here we are passing 4, else will execute. This function will be called by passing the value 4. 4 minus 1, 3. So 3 will be passed from here. So when 3 will be passed, suppose this is the next function call where value of n is 3. The same function. Condition is false. Calling the function compute. 3 minus 1, 2. So here 3 minus 1, 2. Next time function will be called. So this is the next memory block where value of n is now 2. Same thing, condition is false. Function will be called 2 minus 1, 1. And this is the next memory block where value of n is now 1. This time condition is true. So it will return 1. 1 where it will return? To the function call from where it was called. So it will return 1 to this function call. Value of k will become 1. So 1 plus n. Here n is 2. So 2 plus 1, 3. Finally it will return 3 to this function call. Here it will be 3. So value of k will be 3. 3 plus the value of n. N is 3. 3 plus 3, 6. So 6 will be returned to this function call. Here. So value of k will be 6. 6 plus n. Here n is 4. 6 plus 4, 10. Finally, it will return back to this function call where s will become 10 and 10 will be printed. This is the working of the recursion, how it works in the memory. This is just to explain you. Actually, it is different memory blocks which is created by stack in the memory one upon another. So first block, second block, third and fourth. And last block is this one. This will be removed first, then control will come back here, then here, and finally into the main function. This is about the series to find the sum. Now same series we can make if we have to find the product. if you have to find the product in place of sum, if we have to find the product we can also say the factorial of a number. Very slight change you have to make here. Instead of writing plus, just put multiplication sign. You will get the product which is called factorial of the series. If you pass 4, you will get 24. So, in each function call, put here multiplication sign just to explain you. So, here it will return 1, 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 3, 6 and 6 for the 24, finally 24 will be printed. So, same program, just by making a slight change, we can convert into the factorial program. Next program is to print the table of a number up to n. Up to n means, suppose, see the example, program to print the table of a number a up to n. Example, if a equal to 5 and n equal to 10, then table of 5 up to 10. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15 up to 5 10 ja 50. So, from the main function, we will pass two values. Here print function is here, 5 the number whose table has to be printed, 10 is the limit up to which number you have to print the table. If you write here 20, the table will be up to 20. So, we are passing these two values. Now, see the print function. In print function, a is the number and n is the limit. So, in the beginning, a will be 5 and n will be 10. This way. Now, condition is false. Again, function will be called. By the same number, a will remain same, but the value which we pass from here will be 9. So, next time it will be 5 and 9. And third time it will be 5 and 8. And so on. When finally n will become 1, it will print 5 1 ja 5. So, first of all, 5 will be printed. Then backtracking. In the previous video, I had explained you how function comes back or returns back. The second last function call, the value of n will be 2 and this statement will execute. 5 2 ja 10. This will be printed second last backtracking function call. Then third last, fourth last and so on. Finally, you will get all the output this way. You can try on different numbers. You can pass 6, 20, then it will print the table of 6 up to 20. If it is required to print in the tabular format is like this: 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10 and so on. Just slight change you have to make. Instead of printing here, you write a plus multiplication sign plus n plus equal to sign plus a into n. Same statement you have to write here. A plus n plus equal to plus a into n. It is just to print the tabular format, otherwise previous was correct, because the value of a will be 5 in the beginning. Beginning means when n will become 1, 5 1 ja 5, 5 into 1 5, and when while backtracking it will print 5 2 ja equal to 10, second, and so on. That's all.